So here I have the AoFu WRM, which I predicted in both the 2020 and 2022 Cube release predictions video. Finally, it has been released.
Agree with that, with way more people getting the MGC. So is that just perception? I don't know. However, I am going to predict it this year. They will finally release an AoFu WRM and an AoFu WRM.
AoFu WRM. But it remains to be seen. I suspect that the Ultrarang WRM will come out around the end of February. The AoFu WRM will come out maybe June, July time. And then the AoFu WRM will come out after the summer, I predict.
Finally. It better be good. And hopefully they'll release an AoFu WRM soon as well. Right, okay. Bit slow, 14, yeah. What's in this accessories box? Let's have a look. Probably, oh look, we've got a screwdriver. How many of those do I have already? I've also got one in this well-skewed box, haven't I? Let's just get that out. Yeah, right, okay, so this is the AoFu WRM. It does feel quite nice, even just out of the box. Obviously, it is a lot lighter than the MGC. Yeah, but even just out of the box, it feels very good. So it'll be interesting to see what it can happen once I set it up. Because I don't think they've put much lubricant in there. Right, I guess let's do a solve. And to be honest, I can't be bothered to speak a solve. We can watch a 7x7 solve. Second NR2, so 7x7. Right. That felt good and was disgraceful. I'm glad it was at least sub 3 minutes. I mean, anything over 3 minutes is absolutely disgraceful. So yeah, obviously I'll set this up. This is my first 7x7 solve of the day, so whatever 7x7 I'm doing it on probably would have made it not great. But yeah, I'll obviously have to set this up and we'll see. It might be really good, but it might not be. Yeah, there's not much more to say right now. I have a feeling it'll be better than the MGC. I hope so. I want it to be because I want something better than the MGC to exist. But for now, I don't know. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. I guess check out corner cutting. Yeah, it does corner cut a bit. It's very lightweight. £36 at speedcubing.org.